I'm cutting Luffas.
You're cutting the old ones, right? Okay. Okay, we're cutting the old Luffas off the wine because they're sucking the nutrition of the wine. We're gonna keep the nutrition for the new ones.
Oh!
Ooh, good job.
No, I cut the other line though.
Oh, okay. Okay. That's
This one's cut it.
scissors are kind of too small.
Oh!
Now we got a bigger pair of scissors.
I don't have.
Oh, we just got one out right now. We cut the new one. Be careful.
Please don't have to.
Don't cut your hair.
To the curtain.
Oh, now we got the second one out.
Please.
Third one over there.
Oh, see? Oh my gosh. Sweetie bird. There we go. Yeah. Oh, force.
Good job. Next one.
Anything at all.
Okay.
I'm not going to be doing
Boop. Good job. We got 4 loofahs over there, 4 old ones. One now.
Mama, move off the loofahs here, please. There. Get out of here. Huh? Dun, 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 dun. Boom.
We still have many more to cut. Okay, we'll cut more later. See, we have a lot of old ones here.
I have to cut that tree down.
Oh my god.
That little baby tree.
This is the ones we cut. Okay, baby, let's go back. Okay, we're coming back later.